The driver for this work has really been about the vision that traditional custodians of the Great Barrier Reef have had for many decades. It was really about how do we take people's aspirations and then turn them into action so that we could get impact.
What we came up with, and it was designed a program by traditional owners for traditional owners to support traditional owners to do the important work that they saw was needed for their country and for their waterways.
Great Barrier Reef Foundation, they understand, they recognise and they acknowledge our suffering, our trauma, and our sincere relationship with sea country. They acknowledge, respect and understand all of that. And because of that, it now gives traditional custodians a chance that we've never had before, to be heard, to be listened to.
Co-design for me just means genuine partnership and also sort of sharing a bit of power and identifying mutual benefits.
For me, it's about working together to achieve goals, objectives and a vision.
How do we get more voice? How do we get more direction setting and that acknowledgement of traditional owner knowledge, working in conjunction with Western science so that the Great Barrier Reef is really well looked after in the very best way.
The magic happens when you bring a collective of people that have a wide range of experience. They could have anything from business to environmental.
Getting the traditional owners at the table right at the beginning, at the first meeting. And nowadays we want traditional owners on the boat, we want them to be driving it.
Traditional owners are becoming empowered now so that they can step forward and say, you know, this is how we work with other people about things that are happening on our country.
They came to us with the problem, we were trying to look for the solution, but the pathway to get there was a blank canvas and we sort of helped to build that path together. So when you talk about co-design, that's probably the purest sort of form you can get.
So having healthy people, healthy country, and if we're going to move forward and nationwide or internationally, we need to make sure that everyone's working together. Otherwise we're going to lose what we have.
This approach that we have here today is about that traditional owner approach. So you got different approaches, but it's good that traditional owners are now able to develop and implement a project based on their way of knowing, being, doing. So yeah, it's empowering.